Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content and I will try to give you an honest and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we are going to do a quick and in-depth review of oldmonarchy.com platform. So it is basically an online shopping website where you can buy clothes for both men and women. And as you can see, like, they have a really high quality pictures and it provides a wide variety of clothing stuff. So now let's dive deeper and find out what is actually behind those fancy ads. As you can see, like, there is a sale going on the top, up to 70% discount summer sale, and on the top bar you can see like our summer sale ends soon on 12 hours. And whenever we get back to this website, even after 1 or 2 months, the timer goes on the same way, so which is a major red flag. They're just trying to catch the attention of the people. And if I try to search about their domain name, I got to know that their domain name doesn't have any valid SSL certificate, and even their store doesn't exist physically anywhere in this world. And now let's dive deeper and look about the reviews on the Trustpilot website. So they have a 2.0 out of 5-star rating, which is very poor, and it is based on 14 reviews. And in the reviews, most of the people were just angry on experience with buying from this platform. And if you try to look deeper and see the trust score on the Scam Advisor website, you will see that they have a 65 out of 100 trust score, which is a slightly good score, but don't fall for that. Based on the reviews so far, in conclusion, I would say like this website could be a scam, but not necessarily. So it could be riskier to buy products from this website. I would recommend you to just see and connect with any of your friends who have already bought something from this website. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.